Hey everyone, Matthew here, and welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday, December 9th, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, where we dissect every twist, turn, and trade our automated system executed throughout the session. So, let's not waste any time and jump straight into the action. Market Pulse. The calm before the storm. The economic calendar was light today, but the mood was heavy with anticipation. Markets are in a clear holding pattern, waiting for the Federal Reserve's policy decision tomorrow. Yesterday's pullback in communication and consumer stocks set a cautious tone, and that sentiment carried into today's trade. With no major tech earnings on tap after the close, all eyes are fixed squarely on the Fed. Session by session breakdown. Overnight session, drifting on low volume. As the futures market reopened, trading was thin and orderly. The Nasdaq futures gently drifted around the 25,600 level, showing almost no reaction to the Asian market open. It was the textbook definition of a market holding its breath, with investors keeping risk exposure to a minimum. Morning session, a roller coaster before the bell. The European Open brought a bit of firmness, but the real action started at 5:30 a.m. A sudden downdraft prompted our robot to initiate a short position. However, buyers quickly stepped in, reversing the move. Our system swiftly adapted, closing that short for a loss and flipping to a long position. Then, at 8:30 a.m., another wave of selling hit. Our long position was stopped out, and the system re-entered short. After this volatile two-step, our realized losses stood at $69. The 9:30 a.m. U.S. Open, pressure and reversal. The cash market open saw initial pressure, particularly on some mega-cake tech names, pushing the Nasdaq down. Our robot was holding that short, but true to recent form. The dip was bought. The market reversed sharply upward. Our system captured the pivot, covering the short and establishing a new long position. By 11:15 a.m., the story had two parts. Realized losses mounted to $99, but our new long position was showing a promising unrealized gain of $153. Afternoon session, the waiting game. The excitement faded into a quiet afternoon grind. With the Fed looming, the Nasdaq futures entered a tight range, hovering listlessly around the 25,700 zone. Our robot held its long position, riding the sideways action. Today's trading results. At the closing bell, the final numbers came in. Despite the morning whipsaw, our robot's adjustments in the later sessions locked in gains. Total realized P&L for the day finished positively at $44. Closing insight. Today was a classic case of Fed watch. In an environment defined by caution and low volatility, the primary goal is often capital preservation. Navigating that choppy, directionless action is a challenge, and our system managed to eke out a small but meaningful profit amidst the uncertainty. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this recap gave you a clear picture of the day's dynamics. Have a great evening, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap. Until then, trade smart.